Hey tribe, welcome back to my channel again. It's your beautiful Ada here, and today we are going to be trying to actually organize my kitchen and clean it out. So this is what this place is looking like. I don't know what is going on here, but I feel like something actually is spilling from all of this. So this is me just looking at them, trying to figure out which one of them actually poured out on here. And this kitchen just does not really have enough space. I mean, how do I put it? It has space, but it does not have enough storage space, like all these places. It just does not have enough storage, so I have to kind of like squeeze things in here and there. And yeah, I think that is why now I have this spill all over the place. But anyways, it's okay. We're going to be cleaning out today. So if you're new on here, welcome to my channel. My name is Ada, and I do everything: motherhood vlogs, cleaning, organization, and all of that. Of course, the biggest cleaning motivation, and more vlogs that I'm starting to do recently. So yeah, welcome to my channel. If that looks like the type of content you like, then do go ahead and subscribe. And also post regular shorts on my YouTube shorts, things that I actually post on my Instagram. By the way, if you're not following me on Instagram, come on, what are you waiting for? I have the link on everything on my description box, so go ahead and follow me on Instagram and let's be friends. Let me get to know you. Yeah, I am more active on Instagram, like on a daily, day-to-day basis. I am just actually more active on Instagram. So yeah, I got this thing from Amazon. I'll try and find it and link it. I got this wooden organizer thing from Amazon. I'm going to just try to find it, and it actually did a good job, like separating the things, my onions from the potatoes, from the, it actually did a good job, and I actually love it. So it made this place look neater. So yeah, I love it. Yeah, also if you're a returning subscriber, oh my gosh, where are my manners? If you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for always tuning back in and supporting your girl. I'm super happy and thankful that you all are here. So thank you for always watching. And it's time to fill up my oil bottles. I just have the avocado oil, the canola oil, and the olive oil, so I can like fill that in so it's easier when I'm cooking or doing anything. And I actually love the aesthetics of it. So yeah, I love things looking good. Let's just leave it that way. Yeah, I do. Oh my gosh, this summer holiday I am just trying as much as I can to be consistent. I'm trying to vlog more because I have the kids, at home with me, and I do more in-home things. And yeah, I'm trying to see if I can vlog more. I'm just trying, and also to find the time to edit them, because I actually thought that with them being at home I will be more free, but oh Lord, the amount of mommy and mommying I have to do, it kind of like drives me crazy sometimes. I'm like, oh my god. But it's okay. um yeah, I'm trying to do more vlogs, and this summer I'm actually trying to be very intentional about this summer. Like, I don't want it to be one of the summers that they just get to watch TV, be on their iPad, all those, I just don't want it to be that. I want to be very intentional this summer. I want to be able to have a very big impact on them during this summer, so that when they get back to school, they will actually be very happy with themselves. So we're also going to be, it's the summer holidays and all. They are having they sleep and they wake up by like 10, 11, and I just let them be. I let them do their thing. But once they are awake, I just let them brush their teeth, have their bath, and come out for breakfast, and after that we try to do something educational. I'll try to teach them, or we have now 2 to 3 hours of study time, and then take them out to the park, or go to the water park, or just take a walk to the ice cream place. Luckily for us, it's our usual and favorite ice cream place, literally like one, how do I put it, it's just close by, so we get to walk to that place. So by the way, this I don't know which one of them pulled this and spoiled it, so I had to now get it out of the way. I had to just get it out because it's not functional. Instead, it's actually making things worse for me on here. And then I'm pulling out all of this to try and organize it as much as I can. Honestly, I don't feel like it's like the way I want it, or it would ever be the way I want it, but especially for this house, I mean, I don't know, that I'm just working with limited space and what I have going on here, like what I have to work with. So I mean, at least organize it to the best that I can. And yeah, so like I was saying, this summer I'm trying to be very intentional with the kids, just make a very good impact on them, and so that when they go back to school they will be really happy, and knowing that they won't be going back, how do we call it, like when kids are on holidays and they just forget everything about school, and then I feel like it's more difficult for the teachers to try to get them back on track. So I'm trying to avoid that from happening. I'm just trying to avoid it. So I'm just we still do something, so I'm kind of like teaching them things that they are going to do in the next grade that they are heading to. So let's say they are heading to fifth grade, so I'm teaching them something from the fifth grade. And luckily I have the IXL and all of those apps that actually shows me the curriculum and everything they're supposed to be doing, their ages, their classes, and all of that. I have those. I have the go mat. I just have all of that, so it helps me know what to look out for and what to teach them. So when school starts, they won't be taken unawares. Like they won't be like, oh my god, what is this? So yeah. And also my goal is to get Jovan to start reading. I don't even know how to go about that, but I'll try. If you have any suggestions, please let me know in the comment section, because listen, I will take everything and anything right now. So if you have any suggestions, my goal is to get him to start reading this summer, and by the time he's going to kindergarten, I just want him to start. I don't care if you're supposed to, but I just want that for him. I feel like he has the potential. He's a very intelligent boy, so I want him to start reading. That's what we are going to achieve this summer. So we're going to do the flashcards so he knows his sight words and all of that, and then get to start reading. He already knows his numbers, his alphabets. He knows all of that. He knows some of his addition, subtraction. He's a very smart boy, so I feel like he's going to catch up on it as well. So that's my goal for him. And for Gia, my goal is for her to get familiar with her numbers, all of it, and get familiar with her alphabets, and also kind of like learn how to write them. So that's what we are working with. And with Gia, it's actually very funny because, oh my god, teaching toddlers, nah, I don't know how teachers do it, but I give you all your flowers, because what? Their attention span is so little, like literally like 5 minutes or 10 minutes. Like you literally only have her attention for like 10 minutes and that's it. And she's telling you something else, like, oh, I want to sleep, oh, I want to eat this, oh, I want to stretch my body, oh, I'm like, oh my god, you barely did nothing. Like, why are you tired? Yeah, it's crazy. But with kids, their attention span is just somewhere else. With the bigger kids, they are doing well because of course they've been in school. So but with Gia, she's not in school because she's 2. but she's 2 going on 3, so she's not in school yet, but I'm just trying. So this is what the kitchen under sink looks like. I don't know where the other video went, but this is what it looked like. I wiped down properly and just put this clear containers. Look at her little self. Put that clear containers on there, and yeah, that came out good as well. Then I'm trying to clear out my countertop as much as I can. Just clear out everywhere. And for my YouTube channel, my goal this year is to at least, I mean, I don't know if that is far, if I'm reaching, or if that is, I don't even know if that, but I'm just saying, I mean, a girl got to dream is to at least get to 5k subscribers. Honestly, that's just my goal. So please subscribe if you have not done that already. Share this video so that other people get to see it and they can subscribe as well. My goal is to get to 5,000 subscribers, honestly. So please subscribe. And I hope you guys are enjoying this video and all my gist, motherhood gist. And let me know if you like this type of video and all my motherhood gist. Like, children are so interesting. My life is, I mean, I won't say my life is boring. It's actually very interesting. With 4 kids, yeah, it is interesting. The things that they do, the things that they say, it's, oh my God, it's something else. Look at all that debt. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you guys really like it. I, as much as I did filming it, it was a struggle, but I pushed and I pulled through. Thank you so much for watching. You guys, I will definitely be seeing you all in my next one. Please like this video, share, subscribe if you have not done that already, and leave a comment in the comment section. Thank you for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.